Hi guys! If you don't want to make your own Bluetooth programmer, you can nip over to our eBay shop and purchase ours. All you need to do is to add an Arduino Nano and upload the code to it from leet.uk. You can scan this QR code to access the tutorial. This is the programmer and this is an Arduino Nano, it plugs in here. This is a USB cable that I will use to connect the Nano to my computer. We will now navigate to leet.uk. Then we will copy the code and paste it into Arduino IDE. Ensure that you have the correct COM port selected, and the correct board. I'm using a cheap Arduino Nano that I found on eBay for £2. Because it's an old Arduino Nano, I need to select the processor with the old bootloader. I will now save my code and upload it to the Arduino. This is the HC05 module, we will insert it into the programmer with the power on. This will put the HC05 into AT command mode. We know this because this light will flash at around 2 Hz. Once the code is uploaded to the Arduino, the HC05 inserted, and the HC05 is in AT command mode, we can change the configuration using AT commands. To do this, open the serial monitor in Arduino IDE. Ensure that the line ending is set to both NL and CR. Type AT and the module should return OK. If this happens, your module is ready to program. If you navigate back to leet.uk/Bluetooth, you can download a PDF that shows you all of the AT commands that you can use. Experiment with them to see what you can do. Thank you for watching and goodbye!